This is amazing. I'm in real time. A guy's fixing my computer, and he's in India. I'm sharing a screen with him. There's his icon. Here's my mouse. But then his mouse is doing all this stuff. And I'm sitting here watching him go through the computer and fix all of the conflicting problems and clean it up and then install Norton, which I bought. And it's a business called Yogi. It's kind of like Geek Squad, but I don't know. In a few years this will be silly, but to me it's amazing. And he's talking to me in a chat box, and I answer him back. I don't know. Just, he's doing all this great stuff. All right.